Hi, in this video, I'll be going through the testing and creation of the classes or objects that we have created in previous videos. So, to create the object, we create a variable and we create the object by typing the class out followed by its parameters, which are the account number, balance, and interest rate for the savings account. And for the current account, we have the same, but for our third parameter, we have the withdrawal limit. So let's test the deposit function, the deposit methods first. So let's deposit $100 to the savings account and then apply the interest. So, and then for a current account, we can try to deposit $200. And then we will run this through a loop in a list that stores the savings and current account. And then we call the display balance method. This is also an illustration of the concept of polymorphism where the inherited subclass methods can be used. So let's run this code. As shown, we have our first line here. It shows the deposit that we have deposited $100 into $1,000, and then when we apply the interest, so 1,000 plus 100 multiplied by 1.02, we have 1122, which is as shown here. Next, we have our current account where we deposited $200. So when we run the loop, when we display the balance, it shows 1122 and then 700. So 500 plus 200 is 700. So we can see that our code has been run correctly. Now let's try to run the withdrawal methods. So when we run this, we should expect that it should not be able to withdraw since the withdrawal limit is 50. So there should be an output which shows that it exceeds withdrawal limit. However, when we decrease the withdrawal by 1, it has now been equal to the withdrawal limit. So it should be able to withdraw from the current account. And as for the savings account, we are able to withdraw $200 since we have no withdrawal limit for that. So when we run loop and display the balance, we should see the correct output as shown. So it should not be able to withdraw, and then able to withdraw, and then with its respective final balances as shown here. So 200 minus subtracted from this is 922, 700 minus 50 is 650. Now let's try to run to display the transaction history. So it should output that we have deposited once and withdrawn once from each of the accounts. So when we run this, our savings account, we can see that we have first deposited $100 and then withdraw $200. And then for our current account, we can see that we have deposited $200 over here and withdrawn $50 over here. So that's it for a topic on OOP. Thank you.